How are you? What is your name? Huh? From where? Ofia. Is Abia State?
Yes.
What do you do for a living?
Motor business.
Motor business.
Yes.
What kind of motor do you sell?
I sell cars.
Cars. Is it genuine or stolen?
I sell genuine, sell five stolen.
But now you said you are a car dealer. Why are you into kidnapping?
I'm not talking that much.
The woman we met in that room, what is that woman doing there?
The boys that snatched the car, they killed the woman so that they will cross the car to Aba. If they cross the car to
Speak
Aba,
louder.
they will cross the car to Aba. If they cross the car to Aba, they will release the woman.
That is kidnapping. Now you collected his vehicle and kept him in the room wherever the vehicle has gone far before you release him, right?
Yes.
Right? Good and fine. Who owns these guns?
Chidube
Who is Shudibe?
is a friend. He's in prison.
He's in prison.
Yes.
Somebody must brought the gun to you. Now who brought the gun to you?
Yes, he sent one boy to bring it. I don't know that boy's name.
What is the name of the boy?
I don't know that boy's name.
You only met the boy and
Yes.
collected all those guns from the boy.
Yes.
What all those guns is doing under your custody? What do you use it for?
He gave me to give the boy so that they will use it and snatch car. If they snatch car, I will buy the car and give him money.
But the gun is with you.
Yeah, it was with me.
They give you the gun
Yes.
to give them. They used to snatch vehicle, kidnap people, and give you the vehicle. Abi?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Who is this woman to you?
My friend.
Your friend. But the Prado that we met this gun inside the Prado is the one driving the Prado. Who is the one of the Prado?
It's one of the car they snatched
Okay, it's one of the car they snatched. From where?
from Cross River.
Cross River. Where in Cross River?
I don't know the particular place.
Don't know the particular place in Cross River.
Yes.
How much you bought that Prado?
Sold it 1.5.
You bought it 1.5.
Yes.
But you know that the car was collected from someone.
Yes.
How can we get all those boys now?
When they arrest me, they ran away. I have their numbers.
If you have their number, we can track them and get them.
Yes.
Madam, what is the name of all those boys? Can you mention their name for me?
Joe,
Okay.
the other two, I don't know their name, but
Speak louder.
Joe and the other two, I don't know their name.
When we see them, you know them.
Yes,
And you have their number.
yes.
Madam, how come about all those guns with the car you are driving? What do you know about this gun?
I don't know anything about the gun. I just know that there was a bag that would be put inside the boot. So I was
Who
about
kept the bag inside the boot?
shoot.
Pointed it, let me see.
Shoot.
He kept the bag inside the boot. And you don't know that it's a gun, the contents of that bag. You don't know that it's gun
I
inside.
don't know. It was not to 5 minutes the bag was inside the boot that we were about leaving before the police.
But when we arrested Shoes, you run away from there. If you don't know that there's gun inside that vehicle, why do you run away from there?
The people came on Monday and I was asking them for their ID card. They didn't provide their ID card. So I was scared. I didn't know what was happening. So I just
What kind of business Shoes do?
I know he buys and sells cars.
What kind of cars?
Some cars are stolen, some are genuine.
And you know that the car that you normally to buy is stolen. You know. Why can't you go to the police station and report that this is my boyfriend? The cars that normally used to collect and buy is snatch, they kidnap, all those things. Why can't you go to the police station and report? If really you know that all the car is stolen, why can't you go and report? I'm asking you a question now.
I love him, that's why.
Huh? You love him. That is why. You love him by collecting people's property, and you know that the car was stolen, they kidnapped someone and collected his vehicle, and you say you love him. That is why they not run to the police station. Oh, wow. And they try you. Which state are you from?
From Anambra State.
Where in Anambra?
Ajali.
Huh?
Ajali.
What is your name?
My name is Chibuzo Nduka.
Chibuzo Oduka.
Yes.
But you said you don't know how come about this rifle in the vehicle. But the name on that vehicle paper is bearing your name.
The
How
daughter
come
is
about
my
it?
namesake. It's not my name.
Okay, the daughter of this young man is your namesake.
Yes, Chibuzo too.
Okay.
He is Ikechukwu John. The daughter's name is Chibuzo Ikechukwu.
But they said you are the one driving the vehicle Why keeping these things inside the vehicle because of the police and the rest of the things? How did you get these things? Say you are the one that get this thing for him.
I'm a member.
You are a member? Are you an Air Force?
No, I'm not. But
Member
I
of
do
what?
business there. I'm a member of the mess.
Hold it now, let me see. So how did you get it?
We are members of the mess.
Okay, member of the mess. But it's not. You know that the car was stolen before you hang it, right? Yeah, the Prado Jeep that we are talking about. That is where we got it from. Now. You knew.
Yes.
Why did you hang it? For what? Now speak now.
Nothing. I just put it in any car I use because I'm a member. I just put it.
Automatically,
in
you are
car.
fully aware that these guns are inside the vehicle.
I'm not aware
and you
the
are aware
guns
of
are
what your boyfriend is doing.
I'm not aware the
No
guns are
problem.
inside the vehicles. I'm
Can
not
you
aware.
name the boys that kidnapped that woman and collected that on that pilot?
So I don't know them because I don't even know anybody.
Who rented the house that they kept that woman?
We rented. We were tired of doing hotels. We decided to rent that.
Okay, we stayed in the hotel together.
We stayed for some time.
What is the name of the hotel in Port Harcourt?
SSS.
You know, and you know the hotel.
Yes.
And you can take me to that hotel. And I will confirm that is the hotel you people stay before renting the house. Who rented the house among you people?
He rented the house.
Huh?
He rented the
Okay, it's the one that rented the house. That apartment is the one that rented it.
Yes, we
and that is the
wanted to stay
apartment they
there.
kept that woman. Oh. Did you aware that they kept that, somebody in that
I'm
house?
not aware. I just came.
But you saw the other pilot.
I did not.
You don't see the other pilot?
No.
But you saw a... What is the name of that vehicle? The other vehicle?
The
Avalon.
Avalon.
Yes.
She saw
The Avalon is inside the company.
The Avalon. Where did you people rob the collected the Avalon from?
Joe came with the Avalon.
From where?
From Aba.
From
He
Aba?
He drove it from Aba. Came
Okay.
to the apartment, so he parked it there.
If you collected all those vehicles, who normally do the plate number for? Who do the plate number for you?
The plate number of the vehicle, we haven't done any of the plate numbers.
What about the Prado?
Since
You have done the Prado now. We
Yes.
check the system, it's your information inside it.
yes. One of my friends that I gave money in Lagos, asked him to do this thing for me. They now do it and send it to ABU.
You send it, you do it, I will send it to you. You have his number.
Yes, his number.
Okay. Why did you collect that house? For the purpose of what? Why did you collect that house?
He wanted to live there.
You wanted to live there. But that's not why you collected the house now. We met a victim in the house there now. We met a victim in the house there.
Yes, that is what I was telling you.
Yes.
They now say they will let the woman stay there until the motor cross, so that the motor will not off on the way.
Did the motor have a tracker?
I don't know. That is why they say the woman should be there, so that when they get
That
the
is
car-
kidnapping. Now, do you know that is a kidnapping? That is kidnapping.
No,
You
I
collected
asked them.
somebody's property and kept it in the room. That is kidnapping.
No, I
After
asked
the
them.
property has left.
I asked them very well. They say
If
they
it's
will not.
snatched, you snatch the vehicle. The woman gave us statement. He wrote a statement. We'll go through it. If you snatch a vehicle, you collected the vehicle and you abandoned the person there. But this one, you collected the vehicle
The
and the
one-
woman kept into a room.
The why they kept the woman.
Yes.
So that the motor will not off on the way. The woman will not track the motor.
The vehicle doesn't have a tracker. The
And
woman
we
said
don't-
the
we
vehicle
don't
doesn't
know.
have a tracker.
We don't know. That is why.
What is the name of that person in Lagos? The one that normally do the vehicle paper, vehicle license.
I just once. I don't even know his name. Somebody introduced me to him.
But you still have his number.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.